What it do, man? C-FLO. It's been a minute since I've uploaded. I've been gone for a while, trying to get my shit together, man. And lately, I posted some videos, me being stupid. You know, nobody take this shit seriously. It was some just being funny type shit. I know I was being stupid on it, but I don't know how to put something out there. But I just picked up an 03 GMC Sierra. It's a single cab step side. I will show y'all a video of it later. But as y'all can see, currently just driving home now. Picked it up. Y'all ain't gonna believe, picked it up very cheap. It's a V6, sadly, but hey, it's a good truck. Doesn't waste that much gas. I'm just gonna use it for work. You know, like I said, I got a lot of things to get through. Everything's coming back together, so hopefully here soon I'm gonna show y'all kinds of videos. I'm gonna put on HID lights, I put a system in this one. I still have the Explorer, still have the little car. I wrecked the little car, but it got fixed. You know, like I said, I do work. You know, I get shit done. You know, I don't wait. I forget to videotape is what I'm trying to say. And yeah, I'm just getting home. Truck drives nice, has a heater, has AC, has everything. I will show you a full lengthy video on it later. Sorry about the lighting, but what can I do? Don't hate me for it. See? Y'all can see me. But you know, it's the inside of the truck. It's black. It's nice, has a radio, aux cord, and everything. But everything's working on it. But I'll get to y'all later. I had a video of it later. Alright, man. C-FLO signing out.